All right, so I'm cleaning the rims. Let's see if you can see how dirty these are right now. There's a lot of rust throughout them. Let's look at the side I've started cleaning already. What I found is if you find a starting point, like the air tap, that way when you keep going, you know when you hit the end. Watch how clean it gets. I started here earlier. Look how much cleaner that is. So I'm gonna keep going, see if you can figure out where the halfway mark is. I'm doing the spokes as I go. I could do a lot more on the spokes, but there's it's just tedious work. Annoying, but it's pretty clean. Oh, nope. Okay, yes, you can see where I stopped. I'm gonna keep going. And let's see if I can get back to where yeah, I'm down here. This is where you can see where I'm going. And all I'm doing is, this is just like what's left of this super fine steel wool. I just kind of go like this. Let's see if I can get it. So you can see how, all right, see that? Okay, right here. I'm gonna clean this here. And then the tedious part is getting in and out of the spokes. It just takes a little while, but it's not hard. It does come off. You just kind of apply a little pressure, go back and forth a lot. Look how much cleaner that is. Wow. Loving it. All right, I'll show you the after when I'm done. This is what I'm using. And just went to the hardware store. This is what they had. And there we go. I'm gonna start. I did basically on one of these pads, I was able to do this side of the wheel, both the front sides. Oh wait, I don't think I did this one yet. No. But the front doesn't need it as much as the back, and half of the back. And now I'm gonna switch over to a new pad. Some of these spokes on the other side are tough to get to, but I just keep working it. I think these have ever been cleaned, but which is not bad considering that this bike is a 2002. Been in pretty good condition over the years. I'm almost back to the air spigot. That's where I started. That's how you know you've gone the full circle. Look how dirty that is before and where I started. I could do better here. Well, I'm gonna polish it when I'm done. Right now, this is just getting all of the rust off. This pad just slowly disintegrates, so you just keep blowing. Now, it should look pretty good once I'm done and I clean it with the rag. Well, then I'll see what I missed. Going around a second round should be really easy. The hardest part is sitting on your feet, at least for here. I suppose if you had a lift in your garage, you could do this standing. All right. It's just tricky getting to the spokes. It's not impossible. It's just a little tedious. Wonder if I can do this. Let's try it. Oh yeah. I suppose you could go in with a screwdriver to push on it, or a pencil, or to get these small spots. I can do it. I just need a break. But I can come back and get these small spots. Like in between like the spokes here. Whew. All right, let's take a break and then I'll polish it. I'm gonna have to polish the other side too, because the spray went all the way through. That's all right. I can see I missed some spots here, but then again, it'll stand out. It should be really easy to do a second pass, and just because anything I missed would stand out a lot. All right, let's check the other side. Here's what I'm using. Oh yeah, look, wow. I'm gonna have to make another, actually no. Looks like that. I'm like, I missed a lot of spots here, but a lot of that was, yeah, I missed a lot of spots on this side. So I'll make another pass. I did this one a while ago. All right. right, so it's a little hard to see in the light here, but let me see if I can turn it. It looks so much better than it did. I even got the spokes, not all. You can see some of the spokes are still dirty. I could make another pass. We still have some time in the winter. But a lot of the caked on rust, it's just gone. It came right off. And then I was able to do some of the chrome parts, like just little bits of rust in certain spots. This was cool. I did the kickstand. That looks fantastic. Even little things like this here. It's not perfect, but this was all covered with rust and dirt and whatever it was. So went through a lot of the chrome and it came out pretty good. So that was a fun project to clean the bike. Now I want to ride the bike, but I can't ride the bike yet. Not till we get some warmer weather without the ice. All right, hope this was helpful. Thanks, it was fun.